Everybody, welcome back to my channel. So a few months ago I did my client Linden, changed her to red brown, and she's back for a refresh. Her color had turned out really nicely and actually stayed in quite a bit. So she's back. Her hair has grown out really long and I had to cut some off. So we chopped off a whole lot. As you can see, there's a lot of hair on the floor. But then I decided to start. So I used the same Igoral 488 Schwarzkopf color, red brown, to retouch her roots. And then I'm gonna like lighten it up a little bit and make it red. So I started off with a standard 4 sections, as you can see in this clip, and I cut up the root. This color is kind of forgiving, and most of the time when I do it, I don't really get hot roots, so I kind of started from the root this time, and I'm applying the color all around that section before I go in and I start applying the color. So I'm just really trying to touch up her root and make sure that all the black parts of her root is covered, and then I'm going to go through. So as you can see, I am applying the color about little 1 inch at a time section partings, and I'm going through it. I'm trying to get through it as fast as possible.
It's VQs.
Original Batman. Lego. Fire can cool me up blazing. Me I be the one that bless me. Them bagger come can't taste me. Them bagger come can't taste me.
I finished to apply the color, and you can see the color is kind of messy. It's all on her ear, on her sides, but don't worry, it will all be cleaned off. But I'm trying to lighten some parts of the hair, mostly the front part and the upper top of her hair, and so that she can have some lighteners in the top part of her hair. I'm trying to take her as light as possible, but not too light as the year goes by. And so today we are going to get a little bit more redder, and as you can see, I'm hand painting some pieces. With Linden's hair, I'm never really concerned about how much of the lightener goes through the pieces, even though I try not to take big sections or paint too deep so that the lightener doesn't penetrate to the pieces. Definitely at the ends, I want it to be brighter, so I let the lightener saturate through the ends and not necessarily through the parts. So I'm painting lightly. Also, I'm kind of blurring the color on the top with some of the lightener so I can have a nice seamless type of paint. So let's get our paint on.
Taste me, bad man. Me I know say me a better than them. Them a call me yard, me a better than all. Bad man, me I never back down, stop. Them a mama got me a damn. Me all of them me a what I done. Tell them okay what I done, me a done. Tell them let them hear what I want. Tell them me all let them hear what I want. Say they can don't try run me down. Bad man, me I never talk on me on. Say them a fear try put me down. Bad men are tracking me down. I tell them, bad man endure me, I vex them. They don't understand me, I see them. Anywhere they stand me, I tear them. Low. I tell them, come in on me yard, me not fear them. Bad man they talk, me not hear them. Bad man they talk, me I tear them. Certain things them are moving right, and a bad man they feel alright. Say things them are moving right, and a bad man they feel alright. Let go.
I let her hair process for about extra 30 minutes, And then I toned with Redken Shadeseq 6RR. Hair is wet, and I'm using Redken Benefits One United and proceeded to blow dry. It looks dark, but wait, it's coming. And as I blow dry, you can see the red strands coming and the pieces coming through it. And there you go. It's redder now, and I am loving the end result. As I blow dry, I see more of the red pieces that I tried to put in there while I toned with the 6RR. Now, who are you right now? New hair, new you. Yes.
Fire can cool me up blazing. Me I be the one that bless me. Them bagger come can't taste me. Them bagger come can't taste me. Bad man, me I know say me a better than them. Them a call me yard, me a better than all. Bad man, me I never back down, stop. Them a mama got me a damn. Me all of them.
And then turn again. And then this side.
You're funny. All right, turn to the side. All right. That side. Like, no, all the way, like.
Oh.